Wait, did someone just redeem burp? Oh, hang on. Sorry. Oh, another one. Lewis, can you force Kieran to draw you as Froggo, please, and thank you. Tuck it underneath from delivery men. So if I'm streaming and I get a delivery, so as it's Christmas in like 4 months, ha ha ha! I'm moving house. Nice. Did it move? Did it move to just chatting? Wait. Sorry. Sorry. Thank you, Birch, for the 500 bits. I hope you're doing okay today. Who is that girl today? Give us back our streamer. What do you mean? I look like I always do. Except better. Not really. It's your necklace.
What?
Thank you. I promised. I shut up. Do you have a neighbor upstairs? Hopefully, in the crash dummy skin. Some do. Okay.
Because normally in my cabin I didn't have enough room to stand up. Don't let your mum see your latest YouTube video. This feels like a stream I'd watch on the deep web. What? Can you feel the boat rocking around? Yes.
So, hello, streamer. Hello. It's me. Oh my god, the moldy wine. What day is it today? Is it Thursday? Good. It's Thursday. I've got jobs to do tomorrow. Tried to catch up with your first stream in the new flat, but it was muted because of... Babaya tuya tulia mingunia tuya tua mina. Fade out. Right. Yesterday, I spent best part of maybe an hour. Just because he was greased up. No! Okay, I'm going to get a Fall Guys win, and then we're going to play ground. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna win. Wouldn't it be so cool if I just won the first game I did, and then we just go straight to grounded. Oh no! Okay. All today. That's it, guys. And I can end the stream. Thanks, everyone. Thanks. Thanks for hanging out. Do you know what's really funny? I actually farted when that noise happened, but silently. What are the chances? Thank you, Dorito. Sorry. Thank you, Dorito. Applied and got in by then. Did you like the job in the bakery? No. Like so. Get a knife and if it is, it's a stupid law. Did I move? I have moved. I moved. This is my new place. It's great. I love it. I don't have a bald patch. You have a bald patch. Right, who's ready to play as the who's ready to thank you for the 18 months. Thank you.